Hi guys, it's me again. Come and join us for another fun and exciting adventure. Only here at St. John's Island, Singapore. To reach there, you need a ferry ride from Marina South Pier. You can purchase ticket online or Marina Pier station. Both rides takes about 20 minutes. So again, prepare your camera and capture the nice view. Finally, we're here and now approx 6.5 kilometers away from the city. The 40.5 hectares hilly island was transformed in 1975 into a tranquil getaway with swimming lagoons, picnic grounds, and trekking routes. A perfect place to relax with family and friends. For init. Beat the heat, guys. King view of Marina Bay. If you are looking weekend trips, include this in your bucket list. Overnight stays are also allowed for occupants at the holiday bungalow and camps. We really had a good time with IG worthy view. Nabihis tayo guys kasi sobrang init. And napuno tayo ng pawis. Kasi ngayon is so pakainit ngayong araw pero kahapon sobrang lakas ng ulan. So ngayon very hot. Tutorial time. Ha?
Ay, naka-video ka.
Oo. Sana. Saan?
Dito. Gamitin mo ang phone.
it's time to go back to the mainland. Thank you for watching, guys. Till next adventure and explore here in Singapore.